I'm Paul McCarran. I'm here at the Retreat House at Loyola on the Potomac. The Gospel for the 15th Sunday in Ordinary Time describes Jesus teaching in his ordinary way, with parables. He's always using simple stories to make his point, but every once in a while, disciples seem to have trouble understanding him. On Sunday, July 12th, Jesus' parable is about the way a single seed can produce an unpredictable bounty. When the disciples ask why he speaks to people with parables, Jesus' answer might startle us. He says, I speak to them in parables because they look, but they don't see. They hear, but they don't listen or understand. Is he hoping they won't understand? I think he's making the opposite point to that. He tells simple stories with the hope that a story's very simplicity will help people overcome their laziness in seeing and hearing. They'll break through their blindness. Jesus is trying to get his fellow children of God to notice how much they're ignoring the work that their God is doing in them and around them. They're not paying attention. He asks his disciples to recall what Isaiah said recall what Isaiah said about God's distress, about his children's indifference, their apathy. He wrote, gross is the heart of this people. They've closed their eyes lest they see and hear and understand and turn to me and I heal them. Jesus tells the disciples they've been blessed with a willingness to listen and to learn. We could have that same blessing. Listen to the words of Isaiah proclaimed that Sunday. The rain and snow come down, making the earth fruitful. So shall my word be. It will not return to me void. It shall do my will, achieving the end for which I sent it. So we can ask, Lord, make your word come alive in me.